So hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is kind of a different unboxing. I just bought an iMac. So yes, I have officially upgraded my setup. I bought the 4K iMac. I did not buy the 5K iMac because I don't have that kind of money. This was really expensive for me, but still I went ahead and bought it because it is a good investment for my channel. And yes, I did sell my MacBook Air. So a couple of days ago I ran into some issues with my MacBook Air. It wasn't turning on, but then I went to the service center, got it fixed, and then I sold it. So I sold my MacBook Air and bought this instead, and this is a beast of a machine. So earlier I was going to go with a MacBook Pro because that was the logical thing to do, because you replace a laptop, you get a new laptop. But then I've heard so many issues with the new MacBook Pro that I was not ready to spend like 1.5 lakh rupees on a laptop which is not going to last me for more than 2 years. That's why I bought this iMac. I got a very sweet deal on it, and hence I went ahead and bought it immediately. So now, without wasting any more time, let's just start the unboxing of this 4K iMac. Let's go! This is the magic mouse. That is satisfying. This is the magic keyboard. Everything is magic with Apple. And here is the lightning cable to charge both of these, and some paperwork which is definitely going to include Apple stickers. So yeah, there's that. I'm not going to open them because it doesn't make sense. Anyway, put them aside. Let's throw this plastic off and move on. Here, let's move this box, and here we go. Let's try the folder. This does have the power cable, so that's important. And here is the beast. Let me just quickly set it off. And that's P1. So here we go. This is the 4K iMac. It is beautiful. Now it's time for the plastic removal thing, the most satisfying thing in the world. Let's do it. I've loaded it already. Something stuck in my hand. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. So yeah, that is the iMac right behind me, and it is blending very beautifully with my already existing studio setup, and that is really awesome. So I've been using this 4K iMac for a couple of days now, and the performance is just too good. So it has a 6-core CPU, that is the Core i5 8th generation CPU with 6 cores. Along with that, it also has the Radeon Pro 560X graphic card, which has 4 GB of video memory. As long as the RAM goes, it has an 8 GB RAM stick, that is DDR4, and I feel that the RAM is on the lesser side. I would have loved to see 16 GB RAM instead of 8 GB. Maybe that is just me, but yeah, 16 GB RAM would have made much more sense. But anyway, apart from that, the storage on this device is a 1 TB Fusion drive. So it is not as fast as an SSD, but it is definitely faster than a normal hard drive. So that's pretty good. Now, one thing that I absolutely love on the iMac are the ports. So you have all the necessary ports like an SD card slot, a full-size USB port, a USB Type-C port with Thunderbolt 3, a gigabit Ethernet port, and that is literally awesome. So I do not have to buy any dongles whatsoever. I can directly plug in all my I/O to this machine, and it works like a charm. So that is a very good thing, and that is absent on the MacBook Pros. So yeah, there is one more con for the MacBook Pro. Now this is not a full review. I will be making a full review pretty soon, maybe in like a month or so. So after I've tested all my softwares on this machine, then I will be making a full review. So that's why stay tuned for that video. it is coming really soon. Apart from that, if you have any questions about this iMac, please feel free to ask them in the comment section down below and I will be happy to assist you. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for tuning in and I hope that this video helped you out in some way or the other. And if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.